Now we start Science Chapter 2, Acid, Base and Salts, Textbook Exercise, page number 25. Most of question I can explain before, but I write the exercise. Question number 1, why do HCl, HNO3, etc. show the acidic character in the aqueous solution, while the solution of compound like the alcohol and glucose does not show acidic character? मैंने अगले लेक्चर के अंदर एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. नाउ वी राइट आंसर. H plus ion is an aqueous solution are responsible for the acidic character. Which is the correct responsible for the acidic character? The H plus ion, HCl, HNO3, etc. generate the H plus ion in water, C2H2OH, alcohol, glucose, C6H12O6 does not do so. It does not produce H plus ion. So alcohols and glucose does not show any acidic character. Question number 2. Why does an aqueous solution of an acid conduct the electricity? This question I can also explain. Now we write the answer. Acid give ion in aqueous solution, and in solution current is carried through this ion. Thus the aqueous solution of an acid conduct the electricity. Now third question, most important. Why does dry HCl gas not change the color of the dry litmus paper? Now we write the answer. Dry HCl gas does not generate the H plus ion. Hence it does not change the color of the dry litmus paper. Now question number 4, most important. While diluting acid dilute करते time, why it is recommended that acid should be added to water, not to acid? When we make a dilute acid, we have to recommend that we have to add acid slowly in water, but not add the water added acid in slowly, but not add the water in acid. When acid is mixed with water, it produces the large amount of heat. When the acid mixed with the water, it produces the large amount of the heat at a time, एक साथ. Therefore acid is slowly added to the water. हमको वाटर के अंदर एसिड को स्लोली ऐड करने जाने और स्टर करते जाने का होता है. Therefore small amount of the heat is produced and accident cannot occur. If the water is added to acid, it produces the large amount of energy, heat, in form of the water and vapor. Therefore it may be accident like the burning of the body part, etc. Now question number 5. How is the concentration of hydronium ions H3O plus affected when a solution of an acid is diluted? Now we write answer. When a given amount of an acid is added in water, जो कुछ पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट के अंदर यूनिट मतलब 1 लीटर 1 मिलीग्राम या 5 मिलीग्राम फिक्स अमाउंट, given amount of a acid is added to water, there are a fixed number of hydronium ion per unit volume of the solution is produced. फिक्स वॉल्यूम है, फिक्स एसिड है, तो फिक्स अमाउंट के अंदर पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम सॉल्यूशन प्रोड्यूस हो गया, हाइड्रोनियम आयन प्रोड्यूस होगा। ऑन डायल्यूट the number of hydronium ion per unit volume decrease and concentration of hydronium ion decrease. On the dilution of number of hydronium ion per unit volume decrease, हाइड्रोनियम आयन अगर डिक्रीज होते हैं तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन भी कैसा होगा, डिक्रीज होगा, मीन्स कॉन्सेंट्रेशन कम होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, हाउ इज द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन affected when excess base is dissolved in solution of the sodium hydroxide? How is the concentration of hydroxide ion, हाइड्रोक्साइड का आयन पे क्या इफेक्ट होगी, when excess amount of base is dissolved in the solution? Let me start answer. The concentration of hydroxide ion will be increased when excess base is dissolved in the solution of sodium hydroxide. This is the answer. Concentration of hydroxide ion will be increased when excess base is dissolved in the solution of sodium hydroxide, because the amount of hydroxide ion per volume will be increased, because more amount of the sodium hydroxide is added. If happen only when base added dissolve in water, if the base is not soluble in water, अगर हम बेस ऐड करेंगे बट बेस इज नॉट डिजॉल्व इन वाटर, द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ द हाइड्रोक्साइड रिमेन कॉन्स्टेंट, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के अंदर कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं है। इसका मीनिंग ये हुआ, व्हेन अल्कली एडेड टू वाटर, मोर अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन बेस, तो हाइड्रोनियम ion per unit volume is increased, and only base which are not soluble in water is added to the solution, the hydronium ion remain constant, it cannot the change. Thank you.